of Lego buildings.
I show part 8.
Oh yeah, part 8. I am dumb.
I know.
And my school we are bleak. And I'm stupid.
This one, this can. Wait, Joshua. There could be a skateboard.
Yeah, in case of the goal.
And also, what can this boat be actually? No,
No,
that could be the skateboard.
no, that could be the emergency boat.
Yeah. So we should put that.
Just put it there. And the TV's what's the car?
Well, I know. How boats never sink, so she'll have both of them. Which one she wants to ride, she can ride it.
I love Roblox.
Does she, Joshua? I'm not finished yet.
No, look at her. She's like. Sorry if you can't see. Wait, you can see the lip. Look. The camera's going. Look, the car's like. I can't leave. I could fly.
Joshua, but is the TV going to come into her ship?
Yeah, she's going into this boat
Yeah.
because that boat's not built.
That's boat.
No, this. Look, she could have a bed. I'm a Shopkin friend.
I mean, Joshua, this car can go into it.
And you've seen the Chicago ship.
Yeah.
We're already playing with that. He's the captain. No. On our ship, this is the captain.
Who?
Him. Look, he's driving it.
You've got your own ship and look at mine.
Oh.
God, I was just stuck to his head. Brum, 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 brum.
Oh, he's dead.
I know.
He's still got to be dead.
Brum. God, that's a lot of destruction. Brum.
He's sinking. Oh. I'm never going to get
Joshua, I found the ladder.
I need to take the emergency ladder.
Joshua, no, this is the emergency boat.
Drop the emergency boat.
Now is it going to go into it?
There is going to be our serial building time, but instead that's us playing with it, is it?
Yeah. Guess what? Look what our boat can do.
Look.
Smash!
Oh, thank you for the gun.
No, Joshua! I don't know by accident.
Please.
Down my boat!
Lucky I have Roblox with me. What? I need Wi-Fi? Oh, I found the house. It's open, so I can play some
Watching, there's a visible TV. Joshua, look, which computer?
She's a TV. She can watch herself.
Oh yeah, I forgot. But Joshua, this is her emergency boat.
Yeah. Roblox.
Oh god, this is so big.
Her car's back at home. Roblox. I better run. Good car.
Joshua, she's that cool.
Oh, yeah, I got my laptop. Go. What? She had a dog.
Look at that. Oh wait, she's got. Oh yeah, cheers.
Yeah, I actually stole from me.
Oh, fine.
No, living room. Find the keepers. Those are sweepers. Oh, look, that's not our ship again.
Up.
Hi.
Hi. Oh wait, Joshua. Oh, come in.
Oh, yeah, I want to play Roblox together.
Okay.
Probably this could be the start of the other series of building because we're actually playing with it.
Yeah.
Woo! Hey, I'm going to try to do this. Nice, Daddy. Ah! What is that noise? I'm hard. You're not again. Oh my god.
No, I'm Cheers.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What did you do, Chase?
He said it was going to rob you. I mean, prank you.
That's funny. Oh, wait. I get to watch this show.
He does not even know Cyclops in it, does he?
Yeah. Chase, he was watching this program.
He's driving. He bought a gun.
Oh my god. And that will be our bleep. Because I said, oh my god.
And we'll just wear it until onto videos.
Oh my god.
Guess what? I know PewDiePie's actually the most famous YouTuber.
Okay. Smash! He died when he was naked.
I know.
I better
I know, shot him right in the butt.
I'm going to go to the toilet.
Okay, so just when you go back, it's going to be crazy stuff. This is so hard. Oh god, this is so hard. This is the hardest thing ever. Joshua, can you get this? Can you get this reloaded?
No.
Okay, I'll just pretend to shoot it. I wish I still have this.
Oh my god. I'm going to go my emergency. I'm going to go my road.
Cheers wants to come.
Get an emergency boat then.
Yeah, well, we need a shot. I'm got to loaded.
Liam, look. I got a telescope on this.
Oh dear. Wait, I don't even know you had them. I don't even notice that you had one of them.
Look, this is the door onto the boat.
Oh, look, go got that.
No, Liam, there's a door. There's a door on the boat. Look.
Nah.
Doo doo.
Oh, it has.
Liam, can you fix this boat? Then stupid, dumb boat.
Josh, did you get any book? What's his name?
Taylor.
Hello.
What did you say to him?
I'm gonna check him out and I'll show him. I'm gonna catch him, say. Look, Taylor.
Liam, look.
I just want to see if this actually works. I feel it works.
Liam, look. Well, I just robbed from a bank and we'll blame it on her. See how she likes it.
Why did he drop in a bag then? Joshua, I did it. Seriously, Joshua.
Did you know where I was?
Yeah. I was like, seriously, Joshua.
What? This is the end of this.
Yeah. So, see
Oh
you
my
next
God.
time, guys.
Yeah, we're going to Roblox series together. If you do want to see a smash that like button.
Joshua, wait. Joshua. Hulk's gonna smash. Hulk's is going like it looks like it's going to smash his gun. Then you just end the video.
Okay.